Dive right into the heart of decision-making with the cost-benefit analysis tool, a powerful approach which aids in making informed decisions. This tool is all about balance, weighing the benefits of a decision against its costs. Using it is as simple as identifying all potential costs and benefits, quantifying them, and comparing the total values of both. In essence, it's like a scale. Simply put, if benefits outweigh costs, the decision is a go. If not, it's a no-go. Now imagine you're deciding whether to buy a new car or not. To analyze this decision, you'd list all costs. Think price, insurance, maintenance, and benefits like comfort, reliability, safety. Quantify these, compare the totals, and voila! With cost-benefit analysis, the decision becomes clearer and more rational. Picture yourself as a corporate professional contemplating whether to invest in a new software system. You'd identify costs like purchase, training and implementation, and benefits such as increased efficiency, reduced errors. Quantify these, compare the totals, and voila! Cost-benefit analysis provides a structured approach to decision-making in the corporate world. As an entrepreneur, consider whether to launch a new product or not. Identify costs such as development, marketing, and production. Then quantify benefits like sales, market share, and brand reputation. Compare these total values. Entrepreneurs can use cost-benefit analysis to make informed decisions about their ventures. So, cost-benefit analysis is a practical tool for decision-making in various contexts. It's about weighing benefits against costs, applied in personal, corporate, and entrepreneurial scenarios. In our next video, we'll delve into the advanced decision-making tool of multi-criteria decision analysis. So, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned.